Wow, check out that view, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely beautiful here in the mountains of Sapa, Vietnam. Made $1,000 trade review. We're gonna go over that, do a little bit of traveling and trading. Let's get into it. It's been about 1 year since I've completely transitioned over to swing trading from day trading after 12 years of day trading. And I must say, it's much better, much easier, especially when you're traveling and trading in second and third world countries where the Wi-Fi, I tell you, the biggest ripe with traveling and trading is finding good Wi-Fi. And if you're day trading or scalping, you're in and out of connections, popping on and off, so it's a nightmare. So it's been about 1 year. I made the full transition and it's been nothing but good things. Nothing but good things. And I think it benefits a lot of people who are busy working a 9-to-5 job or going to school. I strongly recommend making the switch. I know I've been putting a lot of pressure on traders that I work with in the Moneyball trading program. And they've seen a lot more success too in their own trading. Holding times for 1 to 2 weeks at a time doesn't necessarily mean that you have to hold a position for months or something like that. 10 days max. And another good thing that I commonly talk about is an edge, making sure that you have a trading edge. Technicals, sentiment, fundamentals, personal risk. You guys hear me talk about it all the time. When you start making the switch to swing trading, you can combine and have a larger trading edge when looking at the higher time frame. So I recommend making the switch. We're actually going to go over a trade review, going over the New Zealand, cashing out about $1,000. Till then, let's continue and let's go check out Cat Cat Village. This place is absolutely beautiful here in Cat Cat Village, surrounded around the mountains. We got some people taking photos. Very nice. Nice place to have some coffee. Look at that. Water runs down from the mountains through the river, couple waterfalls. Absolutely beautiful here in Sapa, Vietnam. I want to give you guys a quick room tour of where I'm staying. I always like to show you guys how much I'm paying, what to expect if you travel and trade like myself. So here is the room tour. Paying about $25 American a night for this place. Absolutely beautiful view. I can't complain. Nice bed, nice little working station right here. You come out here to the balcony and oh my gosh, look at that. God damn. I just love the mountainous view. You can see the rice fields back there. Absolutely beautiful. And right up there is the main street to go into the city center. Absolutely gorgeous. Here it is one more time. Here is your room tour. This is what to expect. Most places are like this. It's the style of the city of Sapa. Let's continue and talk about this trade review. Okay, I'm in the woods right now, going to Dragon Mountain. I've never seen the viewpoint, but I want to talk to you about the trade review. Let me sit down and talk, and I'll show you an on-screen presentation of the reasons why I took this trade, trading with an edge. So let's break it down. I often show a graph showing what my trading edge is. And it's a component of 5 different things: fundamentals, sentiment, technicals, risk management, and personal experience. I typically like to try and trade with 3, ideally 5 of them. Now, on this trade on New Zealand USD, let's start with the technicals. We start off by looking at the higher time frame. We have price going into a higher time frame level of supply on the daily time frame. So I then went down to my lower time frame, in this case the 4-hour, and I waited for confirmation of sellers stepping into the market. I saw a large stack of sellers stepping into the market. That was my short confirmation. Now, what else might I have in terms of my trading edge? So when we look at the sentiment side, we are looking at the COT reports, and what you'll notice is on their long position, they were closing longs going from 12,000, and then the week after down to 10,000, and then the following week down to 7,000. They're closing their longs, and they were adding to their short positions, going from 48,000 up to 52, and then the week after 56. So they're closing their longs, adding to their shorts. We have technical confirmation, and then when we look at the fundamentals, you can see they're absolute dog crap. Their GDP, services, manufacturing, everything is atrocious regarding that New Zealand currency. Those are three things to my trading edge. So I ended up selling the pullback back into my 4-hour level of supply, and I ended up getting out at my first take profit, and then price eventually reversed and stopped me out for break even on my second position. And you can see there's a lot more that goes on into this than just technicals. You commonly see people just talking about technicals. That's because it gets views, it's easy to understand. Typically, that way of trading lacks a significant trading edge. So which is why we need to consider multiple different things, and it's why we built around the program, the Moneyball trading program, where we work directly with one-on-one traders, is how to trade with an edge. And so if that type of stuff interests you and you want to start trading with an edge and becoming a profitable trader, I recommend checking it out and joining the program. I'll put the link down below in the description. So let's continue on the rest of my travels. And I want to see this viewpoint. I've been here so many times, but I've never actually seen this viewpoint through the woods. It's always been misty, which is something I really like about this city of Sapa. It's always very cloudy, but hopefully I can see the viewpoint. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we found the viewpoint. Let's go. Seek and you shall find. Come up here. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, we found the viewpoint. Wow, that is beautiful. You got the lake down there. That's the city of Sapa. That's beautiful. There is a viewpoint. Seek and you shall find. Keep wandering down the trail. Keep shooting your shot, and next thing you know, you'll be there. So, I am now leaving Sapa. I just spent the last 3 months here in Vietnam, spending the time in Da Nang, the coastal city, absolutely beautiful place. And then I came up to here, to Ha Long Bay, Ninh Binh, absolutely beautiful country. I strongly recommend, if you ever do some traveling and trading like myself, check out Vietnam. The northern part, the central area, absolutely beautiful. I appreciate if you guys like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. In fact, if you want to see more traveling and trading videos, click above my head for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.